Gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Please subscribe with notifications on.
There are some women from different countries, from Brazil, from America, from any other countries, understand, who are willing to looking for someone that is going to be serious with them. Not someone that is going to come and play around with them, but someone that is going to be serious with them. So what type of woman are you looking for? If I were to ask, does she has to drink or does she has to smoke? No smoke. And drinking? What if she drinks?
Just only maybe go to church. What?
Someone that goes to church.
Yes, better.
You're looking for someone, a Christian.
Yes.
All right. This guy, ladies, listen, Mantombazana out there. Listen to this. What is your name, my brother? Gift. I've got Gift here who says he's very serious. He's looking for someone very serious. And Gift, where are you from? From Malawi. These guys from Malawi, we hear a lot of women a lot of men, South African men who've been complaining and say, hey, our South African guys, these foreigners are taking for our girls and stuff like that. What do you think is the problem? Why these women are leaving, our South African women going to this to our foreign guys? What do you think the problem? Can you help us, my brother? My brother, can you help us? What do you think is the problem? Why our South African guys are complaining, saying women now are moving to the foreigners? They are leaving our South African guys. What do you think is the problem? You don't have an idea? You don't have an idea? Are you sure? All right. Now, tell me something. Now, would you mind if someone what type of country do you prefer your woman to be from?
England or USA?
England or USA? It doesn't matter. And Gift?
Yeah,
Same. And Gift, tell me something. So if someone is very interested in you, how can he contact you? Via Facebook?
This one?
Yeah. You want a lady like this?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I see. So, my brother, how can they contact you? If someone is very interested in you, how can they contact you? Can they contact you via Facebook or Twitter or Instagram? Do you have those three? Or any of them?
No, only WhatsApp.
Only WhatsApp. Do you mind giving them your number? You must remember, you'll be contacted by a lot of women. You just have to make sure that you are 100% sure that you're looking for this. Can they contact you via your number?
So, which means now you need the number?
Yeah. You can just give me your number. It will stay here. They will contact you from different countries.
Okay, just take the number for that guy because he's staying together.
Okay, my man. Yes, my brother. He's saying I must take your number so they can contact him via your number. What is your number?
For you. My number is 0698
0698
203
203
299.
299. So his name is Gift, guys. Women Mantombazana. His name is Gift. So if you're looking for a man, let me just make sure that you see him nicely. So you mustn't say, he's a handsome guy, very serious guy who's looking for someone very serious. And guys, be very serious. Please don't play with my brother. All right, my man. At night, when you get home, you can search for Mr. K's Travel Club on your YouTube channel. You'll find, not only you, there's a lot of Mr. K. Come again?
It's a group, maybe.
No. It's a YouTube channel.
Okay.
So you can go to Mr. K's Travel Club TV. Then you will find many people that we are going to interview. Not only you, even him. He did the interview. He's done already. All right, my man. Thank you so much, guys. Really appreciate it, my man. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, my brother. Thank you, man. All right, so guys, we're moving to the next level. We're looking for people that are very single. I've got a lady here. I've got a lady here. Sister Kunjan. I got funny TV. Oh, full TV, mama. Oh, are you single, mama? Ah, you know, are you married? Oh, you married? Okay. All right.
Talk to me. Don't be shy. Don't call him right, man. Don't be shy. Talk to me.
Yeah, nine daughter. My man, how are you?
I don't want to talk to you. I want people who are serious here.
There might be, listen to me, there might be women from different countries who will be contacting you. Oh, chatile. Okay.
No, I'll talk to you.
You've got 5 boyfriends.
We are not looking for players. We're looking for someone serious.
You've got 5 boyfriends, ma'am. So, but why 5?
You're not tired of playing around. Oh,
But-
okay,
but-
no,
but-
we don't want players.
But mama, why 5 boyfriends? Why 5?
If you are serious, you want someone very, very
So, your boyfriends is Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. So everyone has got his own. She's dangerous. Eh? She's got 5. She's got 5 boyfriends. But I'm not used to this. It's the first time. It's the first time I'm hearing something like this. A woman has got 5 boyfriends. Yo. Hey, my daughter.
I strong,
serious. Strong and daughter. Kunabantu base America, kunabantu base Brazil. Azo contact the sister ne. Kunaba madoda ba serious bafuna bafazi ba serious. And umuntu omuhle fana weso bazokuphatha kahle. Are you getting my point? Sister. That woman, she's got 5 boyfriends.
Mary is back, guys. Mary is back. We don't just
sister,
players. We match people.
Are you single, sister?
We match to marry. We don't have
You're
time
not.
for players.
Oh, she's saying she's not. She's
We
not
match
single.
to marry. We don't have time for players.
You.
We help you get
Such a handsome
someone.
man like
we
that.
match to marry.
We are
If you're a
losing him,
player,
he's
don't talk
going.
to me. We actually match to marry. If you're a player, don't talk to me. We match to marry, Betuna. Match to marry is back. If you're a player, don't talk to me. We match to marry. We are serious here. We match to marry, guys. If you're a player, don't talk to me.
My man, how are you?
Serious.
Here's the handsome man. Oh, no, now I'm Izalala Brahme.
Now I see what the problem is.
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Why did he complete it Sunday? 7:37 now. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. He's only completed 7. 1 week.